Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam, and I do have an unboxing for you today.
Wow.
Right? It's been a little while. Well, like it's a bag. It's been a little while since I've done a bag unboxing. I've been trying to slow down a little bit and be more thoughtful in my purchases. That being said, this one, well, I mean, it was on sale and it was such a good price, and a different video I did kind of got me thinking about it, and
so you have to blame yourself?
I do. But that's who I have to blame for all my purchases. So, I'm using my handy dandy little opener here. So this is a true unboxing, clearly. The address label's on the side here, but I wanted to show the whole thing, so I'm just undoing it here. I gotta see if it's, you can see what it is when you open it. Not exactly. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside.
At least it had pillows to sleep on.
It did. So there's that. And okay, let's see. Oh, that's you. I'm like, is it? Oh my gosh, it scared the crap out of me.
Is that what that is?
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to kind of open it myself here. It's packaged pretty nice. I'll give you guys just a quick peek. And so it's trying to see if it has a dust bag. Technically it should, but if it does, it's not in it. So here's the brand. And so, if you've been watching my videos lately, you might have a guess as to what I might have picked up, and how, although I'm trying to be more thoughtful and not purchase quite as many things anymore.
You're saying that went by the wayside here?
Kind of, yeah. But it was such a good deal.
Oh,
I couldn't resist, and because I did the video for you guys, it just renewed my whole love of this. And I'm going to have to take it out in front of you guys pretty much, but can you tell what this is?
You got the Tin Man's purse.
It's the Coach Tabby 20 in the metallic. Oh my gosh. Look, she's so pretty. So, I did that video about how this was a great alternative to the Chanel mini flat bags, and I already love the bag. I mean, clearly I did the video. I love the bags, and
yeah, the night we did the video, she kicked me out of bed and went to bed with the 2 bags.
Okay, I did not. But the night I did the video, I might have went downstairs and I might have checked Dillard's and all the other sites that carry Coach along with Coach to see if maybe anybody had any of these on sale. Because the Coach Tabby 20s, I believe they're $4.95 typically. Yeah, me trying to read this. Oh, I lied. They're $3.95. So this is a $400 bag. And I went all over, and all of a sudden, finally, at Macy's, I hit pay dirt. And Macy's had this on sale. And this was was it $2.10, I believe? So almost half off. Clearly no one's ever had this bag before, because it is full of all its beautiful stuffing and whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to get enough off so I can show you pretty decently, but
Probably have to
not
take
make you
all of
wait
it
the
off.
whole thing. So, okay, so I didn't know for sure what color this is going to be, and it's like a metallic silver, but I would say it's more pewter kind of color than anything. It's more of a patent leather, so the leather definitely feels different than obviously the other leathers, but it still feels good. These are such substantial. I mean, they're just such good bags. This just does not disappoint. So let's give you a little show here without taking quite everything off. Here's the front. It's
Of
got
the bag, right?
yeah. It's got the C here, and then here's a side. Here's the back, and it does have a nice slip pocket. You can fit a phone in there, but it is going to stick out a little bit, depending on your phone size. There's the other side. There are no feet on the bottom. It's just nice quilted pattern. The chain strap, this one has dark gray in the leather, but the strap itself is black. And then I'm going to try to see what I can show you on the interior.
Is that like a gunmetal?
Yeah. The inside is gray leather here. You got one small flap here that opens up to a pocket, and this has like a canvas
Is poly in there?
inside. No, canvas inside there. I love how you're so serious when you're asking that too. So let's take this out of here. The packets. Oh, here we go. Here's the dust bag. Got that. I thought it should come with one. And I'm just taking the rest of the stuff out of here. Oh, another one of the packets. And so here's what the inside looks like. It's just got 2 compartments. Man, this even smells good.
That's me.
Oh, okay. And so, I got some more stuff in here yet. And there's the creed and
There's
stuff.
stuffing everywhere.
Yeah.
And I thought the box was light to begin with.
Right. This,
Mama
just
like.
look at this. You cannot, for me, I'm not going to knock anybody else who loves Chanel, but I don't know that I could look at a Chanel bag like this, any more excitedly than I'm looking at this. This is just stunning. It's stunning. Everything lines up. The stitches are all nice. It's squishy. It just...
Does it make a noise like a dog toy?
No.
Oh.
It's, so, this is bag number 3. Up on my shelf up there, we have black and then yellow. And now we have like a pewter or a silver. It's like, I like your version, the Tin Man version, but it's a little dark for silver. I love this. So what am I going to be doing? Periodically, every couple days, I'm going to be checking Dillard's and Macy's and Coach and what I think Neiman Marcus sells it, Nordstrom, all them, and look for more sales. Because I just love it. I don't know what it is. It's just, this is a perfect grab and go bag. So I always have my bag of the week. I always do. I show you guys now. I do those videos on Mondays. But if I have to go somewhere quick and I know we're going to go shopping, like maybe Hub says, want to go to Barnes & Noble, or I'm like, let's go thrifting with my other son.
Did you call me Hubs?
Yeah. And when I'll do that, and if I don't want to carry my full bag, is I'll just grab this, and then I put in my wallet. I put in a couple, my key holder, wallet, and then my phone, usually. And then I'll grab it and go. And it's super great crossbody, which I would show you, but this is all still tangled up. And I love it. It is the perfect grab and go bag. It fits everything I need. I can put hand sanitizer in here, which I like for the thrift stores. And I love these. This will not be, I can with about 95% certainty say this third one will not be my last one.
I'm guessing that's higher than 95.
And so they're just, I don't even want to take a chance. I know there's what is it, a 32? There's a lot bigger one of this, which I imagine is probably very similar in size to my Dior Caro. But I have not gotten those yet. gotten one yet because I don't want to be disappointed, because I love these so much, this small 20 size, and I'm not even a small bag girl, but these babies have just stolen my heart. So that's my reveal for you today. You can see that I absolutely practice what I preach. I think these bags are phenomenal. That doing that video just really revved that all back up in me again. And I'm super glad to have this, but I'm even happier to have it on sale. So it's not hard to talk me into one of these. If it's color I don't have and it's on sale. So that's what I have for you today. If you're not already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you did subscribe. Just trying to grow my channel there. Please leave a comment in the comments down below. Do you have any of these? Do you have 3 of these? What colors do you have? Do you recommend the bigger ones? I love when you leave comments, though, seriously. It really helps me get to know each of you a little bit better, and I do answer all my comments. I put out a luxury and contemporary bag and other related content typically on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video. And then on Mondays or Tuesdays, usually Mondays, I do a bag swap, where I swap from one bag to the next bag, give you a little bit of information on both bags. I switch out my SLGs, show you those, and yeah, just give a little more information, or if there's a bag you have been wanting to get a better view of, you can when I switch it, because I usually put in the title what bag I'm switching into and or from. So that's what I have for you today. If you haven't followed me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
If I only had a heart.